Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, you are going to learn how to pick up your USPS package before delivery. Now this is useful if you need your package early or you can't wait for home delivery. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on USPS.com. Afterwards, you just have to simply enter your tracking number here and check for the current status. You just have to make sure that your package has reached your local post office or is close to delivery. Now, when you are inside it, you just have to simply look for this particular option that says delivery instructions. When you tap on the delivery instructions, you will be shown a bunch of different options. So among these, you just have to simply select the option that says hold it at a post office. Now, after selecting this particular option, you just have to confirm it and your package will be held there instead of being delivered to your address. Now, for any reason, if you don't see this particular option online, you can just simply call to the local post office directly. You can then give them your tracking number and request them to hold the package for pickup. This can sometimes speed up the process. So you can also go to post office once your package status shows ready for pickup. Then you can bring your valid ID that matches the same name on the package. You may also need the tracking number. Now, not all the packages are eligible for the early pickup. If the package is still in the transit, you may have to wait until it reaches to the local facility. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.